Each block consists of a slow approach section and a slow down and stop section. Having these two sections means that a train will stop smoothly in front of a red signal. Here's a single block section in operation with a red signal. Trains stop smoothly at the same point, regardless of their speed. The block PCBs are linked with a single wire. The oval on my layout has 5 block sections. I've put 3 trains onto one loop. It's a bit artificial, but it does demonstrate the capabilities of the system. The goods train clears the block and clears the signal to green. Each block PCB is mounted inside the Hornby Dublo track. And here's the circuit that performs these miracles. It detects locos in the block and generates the Lenz ABC waveforms. The colour signal operates automatically or with the built-in DCC decoder. The software in the PIC16F684 is 700 lines of assembler code.